Hello. Hi, Marcus. I made Filipino friends on Bigo. Really? You're so funny, huh? No feeling. Hi, German. Hi, Arn Arn. Hi, Cheng Cheng. Ano ba yung mga name nyo? Hi, Judy. Hi, thank you for tapping. Hi, Frank. Hi. They taught me all bad words first. Oh, that's bad. You should not trust them. Oh my God. I'll teach you how to speak Tagalog properly, in a proper way, with respect, with decent, okay? Panis, kaya niyo yun. Hi, babe. Hello. Hi, AJ. Hi, Ghost. Hi, Rakita. Hello. Hi, Red. Hi, Unknown. Guys, please follow me and share this live and tap this live also. Thank you. Hi, Maku. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Jay. I would mind spending time with you though. Ay, tigilan nyo na ako, please. Bigfoot. Hi, Kimboy. Hi, Vibrator. Hi, Zildjian. Hello. Hi, Ramiel. Hello. Bato-bato sa langit, matamaan. Guys, kausapin niyo ko. Talk to me. Since I'm living in Africa, would you like to know about Africa? Go ahead. Share me about African culture, tourism spot, tourist spot. Yeah. What interesting about Africa? Steve Black. Hello. Hello. Hi, Dudan. Hello. Hi, Gio. Hi, Ali. Hello, everyone. Hello sa bagong pasok, guys. Sorry if, so crazy I am. Ang matamaan. Hi, Basurero. Hello. The tourists like going to a safari where the animals are but never went there. You don't went there? Ah, you don't? Ano daw? Hi, ang OA. Hi, Echo. My friend, paano ba yung English niya? My friend went in Africa. I don't know what country it is, but yeah, she went there and had, visit the animals there. I forgot the place. Anong country nga yun pinuntahan niya? I forgot. Hi, Ash. Ash! Tulungan mo ako, Ash. He's speaking English to me and I cannot provide it. Hi, Joker, thank you for the rose. Ay, lagyan natin ng sounds. Yes. Hi, I will help you. Thank you for tapping, Ali. Binigyan mo lang ako ng isang star tapos magpapa-follow back ka. Grabe ka. I like the city more. It's super beautiful. Oh, I wish I could go there. I can visit there if I have, enough money to go there. But I don't have, so yeah. In my dreams. Check. Hi, Mr. Lova Lova. Hello. Mr. Lova Lova. Hi, Steven. Hi, nice one. Dreams can become true. Can come true. Okay. Thank you for tapping. You're actually more suited to being a TV star. Wait lang, laban ng mata ko. How old are you though? I'm 19. You actually more suit being a TV star. Really? I don't think so. May ganun. Ay, sun kiss tayo, guys. Feeling. Hi, Kat. Since you're Filipino, I guess can be beautiful. A lot of Filipino women are beautiful here. And you should try visit here so that you can see to yourself and think about it. Eme. Hi, Toyota. I meant sing beautifully. I don't sing, okay? Not